Hello friends, today is 21st of March 2021 and no, these are not green peas, not at all. These are not any variety of green peas or anything that resembles green peas or similar other varieties which you might have had in your lunch or dinner. But what are these? Okay, that is what I'm going to tell you about. Of course, these look like green peas, but a bit smaller in size. You can see. So these have the texture of green peas, but they are not green peas. And I will tell you what these are. Please continue to watch the video and you will get to know. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, so you must have seen my previous videos. If not, you can go and have a look at the video which talks about Adam and Eve, the two cauliflowers. So if you have seen that, you must have guessed it by now that these are the green peas of cauliflower. Yeah. So these green peas of cauliflower, they are green seeds. The seeds are green and they are mushy. Before they dry out, it's a stage before the seeds dry out and they are green, still green and mushy. And I'm not sure whether these can be eaten or not, but if you do know something about it, let me know. But I think perhaps these can be eaten as well, and I'm not sure how do they taste, but maybe I'll find out, right? We never know. So here is Adam, the cauliflower, and you can see the seeds over here, and the seed pods have formed at the places where the white flowers appeared. So you can see the white flowers and the seed pods of the Adam, and this is the cauliflower that I was talking about. So the seed pods, they appear where the white flowers appear, and this is where we get, if you open the seed pod, you will get these tiny green small green peas. I don't know what to call them. So these are the small green peas I was talking about. So if you see these green peas, now these green peas are mushy. If you crush them, they will easily be crushed, and can easily see how mushy they are. You can mush these, right? So that's so I don't know, you must have had green peas a lot, but not sure you have ever had the green peas of cauliflower. So this is what it is, and hopefully I will collect these green seeds when they turn a bit brown, and the seed pods will dry out and these seeds will turn a bit brown, and then I'm going to collect them, I'm going to store them, and then probably replant it in some of the pots. So that's all that I have to say for today, and take care. As always, stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.